Hey there, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we're looking at a tool that's going to save you a lot of stress when it comes to your vehicle, the First Power Pro Car's Smart Battery Charger. If you've ever dealt with a dead battery on a cold morning, you know how frustrating that can be. Let's get started. The First Power Pro isn't just a standard charger. It's actually a clever 5-in-1 device that handles everything from charging and maintaining to desulfating and testing your batteries. Whether you have a 6V or 12V battery, this compact gadget has you covered. It works with almost anything, including standard lead-acid, AGM, lithium, and even deep-cycle batteries. The best part is that the design is about 34% smaller than older models, yet it delivers over 65% more power. This makes it incredibly easy to store in your garage or keep in your trunk for emergencies. One of the standout features of the First Power Pro is the 9-step smart maintenance system. It's completely automated, which means you can leave it plugged in 24 hours a day without any risk of overcharging or overheating. It even features adaptive thermal compensation. This is great because the charger actually senses the ambient temperature and adjusts its output accordingly. It ensures your battery gets the most efficient charge possible, whether you are in the middle of a freezing winter or a scorching summer. Plus, it's built to be spark-proof and has reverse polarity protection, making it very safe and easy to use even if you aren't a car expert. If you have an old or idle battery that's seen better days, the advanced repair mode is a total game changer. It uses high and low frequency pulse technology to rejuvenate the battery and restore its health, which can significantly extend its overall lifespan. After the battery is full, it automatically switches to a trickle or float mode to keep it in peak condition. And for those situations where a battery is so drained it won't even register, there is a special force mode. This allows you to manually start charging batteries that have dropped all the way to 0 volts. Within just 5 minutes, it can reactivate a deeply discharged battery, potentially saving you the high cost of a replacement. This charger is incredibly versatile and works for much more than just your daily driver. It is compatible with motorcycles, dirt bikes, lawnmowers, ATVs, boats, and even RVs. It's the perfect companion for keeping your seasonal vehicles in peak condition during the off-season, like winter storage for your jet ski or classic car. It really takes the stress out of battery maintenance for anyone with a variety of equipment to look after. Never get caught with a dead battery again. Check the price link in the description to get your own unit today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more helpful tips and gear. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next video.